Here comes your pre-market summary for Thursday, July 6th, 2023. Futures red as the investors digest Fed minutes yesterday, which essentially said higher for longer, or that's what the majority of the FOMC members thought. Important economic events to speak about today. We get the initial jobless claims coming out at 8:30. Fed Logan to speak at 8:45. At 9:45, we'll get the S&P final PMI. At 10, we'll get the ISM non-manufacturing PMI. And then 10, also, we'll get the JOLTS job openings for May. So lots of economic numbers to speak about today. There's a board decidedly red. Bitcoin, the one, green spot here, as well as crude. We'll talk about Bitcoin in a second. But Meta, to start the day, huge up 1.71% on the launch of its Twitter competitor Threads. Within the first 7 hours of its launch, Threads attracted over 10 million users. But yeah, hang on your horses if you're looking for profitability. Meta says revenue is immaterial at this point as they look to grow the product. NVDA and AMD will also be on watch. They're down at the moment. China imposed export restrictions on gallium and germanium. These are metals used in the production of semiconductors. This move has raised concerns about potential supply shortages as well as price increases. So semis on watch. XOM, XOM on watch again. ExxonMobil signaling a sharp drop in operating profit for the second quarter. They're attributing the decline to lower natural gas prices and weaker oil refining margins. They expect a drop in operating earnings from $17.85 billion last year to $7.8 this year. Almost $10 billion year over year on the quarter there. JetBlue also in focus. It has decided to end its alliance with American Airlines, which is essentially complying with a court ruling ordering it to terminate it. So they're saying that this ending here should no problem allow them to move forward with their acquisition of Spirit, Save. That had been being blocked by the Justice Department, citing competition concerns. So that one is trading lower, 1.29%. However, Save, yeah, Spirit up 2.72 on very low volume, it should be mentioned. Bitcoin, we talked about this one. This one made a one-year high earlier on, breaking that 31,500 mark, making a 31,510 high, retracing a little bit, now on some decline, but good strength in Bitcoin and some of the related names here. Coinbase, Riot will be on watch. AFRM also catching a downgrade today from Piper Sandler. They don't like the fact that interest rates are higher. They think it's going to put pressure on the firm and decrease its margins. MULN was in view yesterday. We saw this one absolutely rocket in the afternoon yesterday on news that it was seeking to hire a law firm to come after naked short selling. Guys, get the watch list. Sent it out every morning. It helps me organize my day and let me know what's in focus on the day. We shall see you all bright and early at 8:30 a.m. for the open. We'll see you then, guys.